Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can use Commonwealth card overseas. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and as without any further delay, let's get into it. So for the matter, the very first step would be simply for you to access your commonwealthbank.com, aka combank.com on top, and get into their official website right over here. Then afterwards, what you gotta do, simply gonna go ahead, tap on this search icon on top right section, and then type here travel. Right, once you do that here in the travel section, you will be able to access this option of travel money card. Simply tap on it. So you can see Commonwealth travel card actually allows you to load up to 13 currencies on one card. So if you're traveling, if you're solo travel likes to do so, you can actually upload plenty of countries currencies and you can use it. For the matter, you have to be one of the member of Commonwealth banks. If you're already the member, then you can come to this website again. As I showed you, come to the travel section and simply tap on this order online. Once you do that, you will be able to select a method how you would want. If you want online or in branch, right, you simply gotta go ahead, no card issue fee, get card in 5, you can see 5-10 business days you have to spend for wait for it, and then you can tap on this. Once you have selected that, it will lead you to this kind of interface where, as I mentioned before, you're going to enter your client number, your password. You can tap on this remember client number and you have to log in. Then you have to enter your card's information, and then you will be able to create yourself a travel money card. Once you have done so, you can again go back to this original page, and then here in this section we will go on top and you will be able to tap on this load today, and you will be able to load a money and you can convert that money to the currency that you would like for your overseas travel. That is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.